the game of wireless chargers came to the end, with Apple siding with House Qi. Now, be it Android or iPhone, you can charge your gorgeous phone with this beautiful charger, available in black on black and white with pink. Hi, I'm alexcrane and most of my desk accessories are black, so going with the black option for my PC was a no-brainer. Easy to answer calls and no need to pick up to see messages. Convenient, in one word. Aesthetics aside, ZMI is a reputable manufacturer under Xiaomi's umbrella, but what's more important, they are certified and tested by the Wireless Power Consortium. Oh, and they're super affordable. Most of the chargers you see on AliExpress or Gearbest are not Qi certified, even the more expensive ones. All possible protections are present here: overheating, short circuit, current, voltage, or foreign objects. And if ever anything goes wrong, the LED indicator that usually goes white during charge will start blinking red to inform you. So we get a quality charger with peace of mind at an affordable price with design.
So let's talk about it.
The top is 2.5D toughened glass with pencil polished edges. You can literally use it as a mirror. I did get a few scratches that you can't really see unless you angle it while shining some light. The base is CNC machined, sandblast finished, anodized aluminum, a thing of beauty. I actually wish you could use it upside down. As you might have noticed, there are no feet. So in order to keep the thing securely placed, I'm using some removable adhesive. Connects with the included meter-long Type-C cable, but you will need to buy a power brick separately. In order to take full advantage of the 10-watt charging speed, you need to look for Quick Charge 3.0 or better. If you're an Android user, the one that came with your phone will most likely suffice. Apple, on the other hand, screwed its users by giving them a lame 5-watt charger. I guess you get what you pay for. There is no active cooling, but during my tests, it never really got hot. But keep in mind, my ambient temperatures are at maximum 30 degrees, so results may vary. My personal phone, the Xiaomi Mi Mix 2S, for some reason gets only 6 watt on any Qi wireless charger out of the 7.5 theoretical, but I did test it with other phones and it does provide the 10-watt charge. Even with my slower charge speed, I no longer check my battery percentage anymore, having a wireless charger at home, car, and office. And as more and more public places start adopting Qi, the less of an issue batteries in general will become. And in real life, they look even more stunning. Honestly, for 10 bucks, just try it out. And if you're into tech videos, I'll have plenty in the near future. See you in the next one.